Writing literature reviews in nursing. Most nursing papers follow a standard format that includes some or all of the following sections: an introduction, a problem statement, background and significance of the topic, methods, a literature review, a discussion, a study proposal, and a conclusion. Headings usually note these sections. Subheadings may also be used to break down information with major headings. Introduction. The introduction establishes the relevance and urgency of the topic. Besides, it contains the research question. Sometimes, this question is referred to as a PICO question, which stands for population or patient problem, intervention, comparison, outcome, and time. You can find many great resources for understanding the levels of evidence involved in research questions and templates for formulating PICO questions in different databases, such as Google Scholar and other credible websites. Note that the introduction never uses a heading titled Introduction. Instead, the title of the paper appears at the top of the page, and the introduction paragraph starts just below. Background and significance. The writer provides a historical overview of the research topic in this section. They explain current evidence-based practice regarding their topic and gold standard practice. The writer may go into depth about the significance of the topic in light of changes in the field or current patient needs. The background and significance section should be more in-depth than the introduction and contain citations for scholarly and peer-reviewed journal articles. Methods. This section is brief, depending on your institution. It explains how the writer identified and selected relevant research on their topic. The writer should list all databases searched, such as PubMed, CINAHL+, Embase, the Cochrane Library, and the Nursing Reference Center. This section should also list key terms and search phrases. The writer should explain how search results were narrowed down to the final list of articles used for the literature review. Literature review. The literature review provides a summary of each article selected by the writer. At the end of each summary, the writer should identify the study's strengths, weaknesses, and limitations. A good literature review should be intentional. The author might organize articles chronologically, reverse chronologically, by study design, or by theme. Lastly, the writer should use transitions to move from one summary to the next. Discussion. The discussion section should synthesize the findings of all studies summarized in the literature review. It should note and examine common themes and disparities among studies in detail. Besides, the writer should identify any research gaps the literature review reveals. Conclusion. The writer should discuss the significance of the study's findings, recommendations, and ideas for future research. This section should also include recommendations to improve the research problem identified.